House for any questions that you might have. We have some mics going around and we'll be ready to take any questions that you might have. The gentleman there, please. There.
Good afternoon, Mr. Kapil Dev. My question is, I would like to have the first question on your internet cricket freak. India presently, the performance of India, when it comes to playing a match with Bangladesh, we make 360 and we allow them to make 290 plus. With England with 340, we assume that England would never reach 300. If this is the status, can you just predict the India's status? Would they enter the semi-finals?
Being very honest, I can't. If I know what is the result going to be, it would have been totally different. But nevertheless, one thing, you were in 10th class, or you said? 18 years old at that time, when I played World Cup. Oh, thank God I didn't play gully cricket. Yeah, but I can't predict. Honestly, it's very difficult. All the teams, the first 7 teams are very similar. Anybody can win. I was disappointed, but end of the day, sometimes cricket wins.
What's the status of our players when it comes to fielding today? Because that's the worst area where I think, in spite of the fact that we score more than 300 runs, we're not in a position to even control them with 250.
I think Australia lost after getting 420 runs also. It happened in the game. The things are changing. I think you have to look at positively. Yes, England played very good. We must congratulate them. And we can learn from our mistakes. That's how the cricket is all about.
Mr. Kapil, there are a couple of questions. Continuation with that. Looking at that England game, obviously there's so many concerns about the bowling unit. How would you view that? Do you think that's the weak link? And my second question is about the fact that there's this ongoing debate about whether minnows, so-called minnows, should be part of the World Cup. A team like Canada or an Ireland. Which side of the fence are you?
Can I say something? You want to ask anything about this radio things, what we are doing, or internet? Then I'll get back to you on that. I thought, let me finish that part, which is important. If anybody want to ask about what we launched today, it will be better. Otherwise, we are going to mix each other what we are talking about that. So I'll appreciate if anybody, if you don't have, it's fine. Then I can get into the next step. But if you have anything to ask about what we did today, I'll love to answer and then I'll get back to you people.
सर मेरा एक सवाल था कि रेडियो की बात हो रही है, इसमें रेडियो का जिक्र भी है, क्रिकेट रेडियो एंड ऑल. अभी कुछ दिनों पहले एक न्यूज़पेपर में आर्टिकल था कि रेडियो की लिसनरशिप काफी कम हो गई है क्रिकेट के मद्देनजर. मतलब क्रिकेट की कमेंट्री लोग सुनना पसंद नहीं करते रेडियो पे. इस पे आपका क्या ठीक है?
अगर आप ऐसा कहते हैं तो मैं आपसे डिसएग्री करता हूं, क्योंकि जब आप सड़क पे होते हैं तो आप टेलीविजन नहीं लेके चलते. जब आप गाड़ी में बैठे होते हैं तो टेलीविजन नहीं हाथ में होता. आज रेडियो की कमेंट्री ज़्यादा लोग सुनते हैं, क्योंकि आप मैच जब आप घर पे जाते हैं तभी देख सकते हैं. एंड चाहने वाले क्रिकेट के इतने हैं कि सारे घर पे बैठ के क्रिकेट नहीं देखते. लोग काम भी करते हैं, ट्रैवल भी करते हैं. तो अगर टेलीविज़न उन लोगों के लिए जो घर पे मैच देखते हैं, रेडियो उन लोगों के लिए जो काम करते हैं और रास्ते पे होते हैं, और कुछ लोगों के पास टेलीविजन भी नहीं होता, उनका सोचिए क्या है. तो ये एक अलग माध्यम की चीज है जो आप तक पहुंच रही है. मुझे नहीं मालूम था कितना बड़ा है टिल मैं इसके बीच में घुसा या मैं इसके बीच में जुड़ा. मुझे लगता है रेडियो के चाहने वाले जो है, जिनके पास वक्त नहीं मिलता टेलीविजन का, उनके पास और कोई जरिया नहीं है. आइदर मोबाइल उठा के इंटरनेट पे जाते हैं, स्कोर पूछते हैं, वे क्या स्कोर हुआ, जो बोला 21.3 मिलियन हिट टुक प्लेस ड्यूरिंग दैट मैच. सो आप नंबर से हिसाब लगा सकते हैं कितने लोग हैं जो ग्लोबली जो नहीं देख सकते टेलीविजन को और वो जानना चाहते हैं इस गेम को. अगर रेडियो नहीं होगा तो आप महसूस कीजिए कितने लोग तड़पड़ा रहे होंगे उस समय कि क्या चल रहा है.
लाइव कमेंट्री होगी cricketfreak.com के ऊपर. अगर आप साइट पे जाएंगे तो आपको लाइव कमेंट्री वहां पर मिलेगी हर दिन जो भी हमारे मैचेस होंगे, वी आर कवरिंग ऑल द मेजर मैचेस, सो यू विल बी एबल टू हियर दैट।
हर तरह के चेंज हुए जा रहे हैं। क्लाइव लॉयड ने भी की है, सुनील गावस्कर साहब ने भी की है। मुझे मौका मिला तो मैं भी घुस जाऊंगा बीच में। मैं तो इतना अच्छा बोलता नहीं हूं, तो मेरे को वो क्रिकेट का अगर अच्छा बोलता होता तो मैं शायद टेलीविजन पे भी पहुंच जाता। तो कुछ लोग होते हैं जो पीछे से काम करते हैं, कुछ लोग होते हैं जो एक्सपर्ट होते हैं बात करने में। तो आपको वेरियस टाइम पे डिफरेंट मैचेस में लोग मिलते रहेंगे। ऑल द गेम्स आप वहां पर जाएंगे, अमेरिका में भी सुन सकते हैं, कनाडा में भी सुन सकते हैं, इंग्लैंड में भी सुन सकते हैं, आप गल्फ में भी सुन सकते हैं, यूरोप में भी सुन सकते हैं। दैट्स द स्ट्रेंथ वी हैव टुडे। हाँ, अगर आप कहीं शिप पे चले जाओ, कोई बोट बूट है, अगर आपको रेडियो फ्रीक्वेंसी मिल जाती है तो आप मछली भी पकड़ सकते हैं और क्रिकेट भी देख सकते हैं।
So as you said, you wanted all of us to ask you questions on cricketfreak.com and nothing else. Would you ask?
I didn't say nothing else.
No,
I just said let's finish that.
That's the reason people were quiet and they had just two questions. Now my question is, would you ask? I mean, between every game for India, for all Indian games, we have around 6 days off. Would you want the Indian team, the 16-member team, to listen to you, Gavaskar and Clive Lloyd? I mean, more than 120 crore people listening to you. I think now these 16 players need to listen to you.
आज के जो बच्चे खेल रहे हैं,
I'm talking about listening to you on the internet. Because they need your comments more than...
Yes, I would like to get into that eventually, slowly. I just taken a stake in a company, slowly we are moving in. कुछ लोग मुझसे कहीं गुना बेहतर काम कर सकते हैं वहाँ पर, वही अगर मेरी ज़रूरत पड़ी मैं भी उसमें जाऊँगा और ट्राई टू गिव जितना भी मैंने क्रिकेट से सीखा है मैं भी वो कोशिश करूँगा. आई एम नॉट ट्राइंग टू से आई विल नॉट डू दैट, बट डिपेंड हाउ मच टाइम वी कैन गिव. It's the new thing we form and we think this is the future of sports, not one cricket. I will repeat it again and again. I think lot of people in our country, if I give you a small example, आज से कोई 8-10 साल पहले सिर्फ 1-2 चैनल स्पोर्ट्स के होते थे, वो भी थोड़ा थोड़ा टाइम दिखाते थे. आज स्पोर्ट्स के ऊपर टेलीविजन पे 4 चैनल डेडिकेटेड है. उससे पता चलता है कि हमारे जो पब्लिक हैं वो स्पोर्ट्स के अंदर कितना घुस गए हैं या हाउ मच इंटरेस्ट दे टेक. इट्स अनबिलीवेबल. हमने कभी सोचा नहीं था जब हम खेलते थे कोई 20 साल पहले, वहां दूरदर्शन में 1 घंटा संडे को प्रोग्राम आता था. आज 4 चैनल 24 आवर्स स्पोर्ट्स दिखाते हैं. इससे बड़ी चीज एक स्पोर्ट्समैन के लिए नहीं हो सकती. कभी सोचा नहीं था कि ऐसा होगा कि हमें ऑल जितनी भी तरह के स्पोर्ट्स है, ऑल काइंड ऑफ स्पोर्ट्स वी कैन सी इन स्पोर्ट्स. वी कुड ओनली व्हेन वी गो टू अमेरिका, इंग्लैंड और सम पार्ट ऑफ द वर्ल्ड वी कैन सी द स्पोर्ट्स चैनल. बट टुडे आई एम सो प्राउड एंड टच्ड by the Indian people. Love the sport so much. The future is bright.
So my question is to either Mr. Ajay Sethi or Mr. Tripathi. Because cell phone service providers have launched 3G services, there's a major chunk of the population that are actually getting live video feeds on their cell phones. Now, to that population, what is your USP for this program? Why would they tune into radio when they're actually getting video?
Ma'am, the answer is very simple. You know, as they were just saying some time back, when you're doing an audio, when you're seeing a video commentary, right? You need to be in front of the match to be able to appreciate the entire commentary. You know, my submission to you would be that if you ever switch off the TV, that means you're not seeing what is going on and you just hear what they're speaking. There is a different format of the commentary that goes on when you're watching the game. And there's a different format of the engagement that happens when you're just listening to it. So the current video commentary that you see looks exciting because you're seeing the match as well as it happens. If you remove that entire video component, right, and then try to hear that commentary, it might not make sense to you. Whereas in the audio, it is the other way around.
I think in the same breath, if you can have the your mobile and you can see that, but you're traveling, you're driving the car, at least you can listen, you can't see all the time. So this is for those people. Understand that the people who can't see all the time, if the match is on, that doesn't mean you will park your car on the road and start saying chalo mere ko match dekhna hai. ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. So let's make a logic to the people who love the game and can't read. If I'm working, going somewhere and very important work, I want to know about the sports. At least you are listening, you have come to know about the game, and that's important.
So just
I'll just say something on this. You know, the whole idea of this audio was conceived by myself. What happened, I used to watch, look at website, which I would not name it, and look at the score taking every minute. And I saw that the television which is a huge, it's very big. And those sites, the millions of people are logging in, 10 million people a month, or those are numbers were there. So I'm saying, why not, if I'm looking at the score, and I'm so interested to stop my work on the net and go to log into this site. Why not, if I'm listening to the commentary of Kapil and Mr. Gavaskar, Clive Lauder, Chappell, those people are talking and doing my work on, especially in North America and European countries, not like here. The television is very expensive, it's $100 a month. And the offices, the fireballs, you can't, and most of the time zones happening, everybody in the office. And we have a satellite radio in the US, which is in most of the cars. So we have a huge listenership in North America and Europe and Western country, and India definitely is a huge population, and it's a great market for us. So we are covering the television, there's a net, and there's audio. So it's available in all the platforms, and it has its own niche on it. That's how this idea is conceived. Thank you.
So how do you plan to create an awareness regarding this initiative?
आप किस लिए बैठी हैं?
Besides that,
आपके
sir.
माध्यम से ही जाएंगे ना. आज प्रेस से बड़ी कोई चीज नहीं है. This is what we are trying to do, and if we can go to them, eventually, slowly and steadily, we reach to the number what we are planning, because the number is increasing every day. If you look at this on the screen when we are showing, it started only a week, 10 days ago. Every day the number is increasing, because that's how everything you will look for. Next match we will have round about 20,000, then 50,000, and little bit awareness from your side, and exact detailing can go through you what we are trying to do. That's why we are having a press conference.